Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the call now. This is essential because call volume must be set while audio is active. While the call connects, keep your iPhone unlocked and your fingers on the side volume buttons. Once the other person answers, press the volume up buttons. Do not use Control Center or Settings first, because on-call audio is what changes system call level. Make sure Bluetooth and wired headsets are disconnected if you want the handset or speaker to be louder. Once the call is active, press the side volume up button several times until you hear the maximum level. You should see the in-call volume indicator on screen. If handset sound feels muffled, tap speaker to switch to loudspeaker. This gives higher perceived loudness. If you have a certified Bluetooth headset or made for iPhone hearing device, pair it and select it as audio output. These devices often provide stronger, clearer amplification than the handset alone. To finish, end the call and remember the last on-call volume. The handset often retains that level for future calls. If volume remains insufficient, use speakerphone or a Bluetooth/hearing accessory as your primary fix. These are the reliable ways to get louder audio. If problems persist, restart your iPhone, inspect and clean the receiver grill carefully, and install any iOS updates. If none of that helps, contact Apple support. Hardware issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.